In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off adaptive power saving mode on Samsung phone. So with your adaptive power saving mode on Samsung phone, this will enable power saving mode on your phone and disable power saving mode on your phone based on your usage pattern. So here you'll be able to preserve your iPhone battery and make it last longer. And here you'll be able to preserve your Samsung phone battery and make it last longer. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to enable or disable adaptive power saving mode on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung Galaxy phone settings. Then on the settings page, scroll down and you want to click on device manager. Now, once you click on that, tap on battery. Here you have access to the power saving mode. Click on it. Do not enable the power saving mode yet. Just click on it. Then click on the three dots at the top right. Then tap adaptive power saving. Then you should see an option to turn off or turn on adaptive power saving. Then turn on this to enable adaptive power saving mode, or turn this off to disable adaptive power save mode. You take note that whether you turn this on or off, the power saving mode is not going to be enabled, but the power saving mode will be automated when the need arises. So this is going to make your iPhone to adjust your battery level or your battery usage using the adaptive power saving to automate the battery saving mode on your device. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.